So I got this RT500. It was gifted, just to let you guys know up front. So we are going to open it up and set it up on an AMD AM5 socket, right? So because I just got a new ATI motherboard, and look at this. This is just like one fan, I think. That's all it is. And of course, copper in here, silica bag. So it looks like one fan, and it has a, you could set up your own fans, to be honest with you, as many as you want. You could set up two, but right now, because it's an open place that we're going to set this up, we get that one fan. This fan, we're going to see how strong it is, and if it could help out my, distribute the heat, then it's perfect. Now, it does have the logo, so that's what's going to be facing inwards towards the actual fan, like in the picture. So we're going to set this up here and probably away from the memory. All right, we might go the opposite way, but for now we're going to set it up in here. And you could even elevate this for the memory. Of course, some of the memories are a little high, so that's why we're going to set this up. But first, we're going to make sure we got the base. This only has 2 screws instead of 4. Normally I see 4 in some of these systems, but this one has 2. All right, prior to setting up, before I even set it up, I'm going to have to set the fan up. So we want to make sure, we'll evaluate the fan. So I'm going to keep it out because I do have connections on the motherboard out. So I'm going to put the fan a little bit close to the edge here. And if you never set these up, these are clips, right? They clip on to the side or the front, and they just pretty much hook up like this, right over the actual motherboard. And that's pretty much it. But on this case right here, I think it's going to be on the side instead of the top, instead of back like the other ones, right? Because this one has a cover in here on the top. So it's going to be in the side mount. Yeah, that's one side. Now, just came out from the other side. It's okay. And just pull it back and that's it. That's pretty much it. There's your fan, all right? So we set it up. It's a side clip. You want to remove it, just as simple as picking up. Now, very important, memory might be a little too low. So depending on your memory, because they get off this fancy colors and all this stuff, and they're a little high, some of them. So you might want to move this. You could actually elevate even higher, go a little bit higher, so it could have the clearance, all right? So we're going to have to remove these for the AMD, all right? So make sure you just unscrew these. You might have to take out the whole motherboard from the bottom and remove it from the actual bottom tube. So just to let you guys know, in case there's sometimes there's screws on the bottom, of course, but sometimes they have a base, just a metal base that it's just simple as mounting. Don't lose these. Don't delete. Don't get rid of them. Save them for any future upgrades or maybe changes that you want to make on your system. And now we're going to set these up, and these are threads already. They're double-sided, if you guys can see that. One's a little longer than the other one, and also different sizes. All right, now that we have these 2 parts in there, they're nice and tight in there. You got to set these up, all right? And these are pretty much wide, if you guys can see it. But they're not going to go this way. They can't, right? So they're going to have to go this way. That means that the rotation of the fan, you have to change the actual, make sure that it's the clearance on the, because the first one is going to be the memory, and the memory is going to be on the first slot, and I should set that up too. But right now we're going to set these up first, and they have to be facing up, the metal pieces, all right? You could hand thread them too, but then we're going to screw them in to stabilize them, make sure that they're on properly. And they do have that secondary here on them. I'm going to keep the paper on, all right? And the rotation of the actual fan is going to be on this side right here. And that's pretty much it. So we have great contact, but we have to set up the memory. So let's go ahead and set up the memory. Now we'll be able to do it once I remove the actual fan. So let's go ahead and put the thermal and start setting this up, right? Now we're ready to mount this, and that's it. So let's go ahead and screw these. They have a spring, so they don't have a click or a lock. They just automatically, that's it. So we're embedded in there really good right now. Plenty of clearance. Now the fan, we're gonna have it on this direction for now because it's an open base. It's a test bench, so it doesn't matter which direction. Plus, I'm gonna be able to see the fan, but I think I'm gonna have to put in this because the actual fan connection is right here. So let me just put it back on there. That's perfect. It's crooked. It's fine. So we're gonna plug it in and then test it out. I'm gonna test out a smoke test, right? To see how it evaporates the actual smoke, how it pushes it out through the whole system, so you guys can see it. So as you can see, the cooler works really quiet. It pushes the air super fast to the other side. I didn't see any hiccups or anything. It just runs smooth. And I like the quietness of the actual fan. So hope you guys enjoy this video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe